Hey, aloha guys, it's me, Christy. I'm gonna be doing another eyeshadow look with the NikkiTutorials palette, and this is what I've created so far. I guess the one yesterday, it was just too brown for me, but you know, I need a little color when I put makeup on, I guess. I thought I could pull off the brown, but it was kind of like a little bit too brown for me. But this is what I created tonight. So I'm gonna go ahead and recreate it on this side here. And what I did, let me find my brushes real quickly. I'm actually only using these two brushes here, okay, to do that. And the first color I went with was the EW here, this kind of teal color. So I went on the corner with that, right on the corner here. Hope you all are having a fabulous night. It's Thursday night, it's almost Halloween. That teal is really like popping there. Okay, so I did add some blue as well. Let's go ahead and I put the Amsterdam blue on top here, right there. Put it kind of like in the middle-ish corner side. Like right here. That's what's going on right there. I got some on my under eye, but hey, it's okay. Let's tap, tap, tap it. If you hear any noise in the background, that's just Novea. She's eating her dinner. Okay, and then the next one, I'm gonna put some of the Blend and Snap pink right in here. I'm gonna put that up in here. The Blend and Snap. I think she got that from the Blend and Snap from the Legally Blonde movie. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that in the inner corner area. Yeah, the bangs is going on. So you got kind of like a little colorful thing there. I think I prefer working with colors instead of just neutral colors. So I'm just tapping all of them on, and it's like that right there. Okay, so then I'm gonna go ahead with my fingertip and put on this color right here. Can't see right now what color that is, but it's the pinkish one there. And she said, I believe, to use your fingertips to add these colors, because they're kind of like really like, I don't know how to describe it, moist. And I'm just putting that on the inner side. I put in the inner corner, I put the Ivy. Ivy is like one of her dog's names. So hold on, okay? Sorry for that. Because I'm gonna go ahead and put the inner corner of my eye, the Ivy. I think it was all in, sorry. I've got two colors there. It's like an iridescent color, if you can see that. I'm gonna go ahead and put some more of the pink one. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put some of the ivy right on top of my, by the eyebrow area. Right there. Okay, it looks like really totally different. But it's the same, it's just got everything else on there. So that was pretty simple. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put my eyeliner on. And then we can see how I go ahead and do that. So I'm just using the Sayate of London. It's a stamp, like stamp and dry. So on the other side it comes with the stamp, but I rarely use it because I'm trying to learn how to use my own judgment. Okay, so I learned for myself that it's easier if I go from here to there. From there in the inner corner and then out. Don't jump, Novia. And so I'm just like kind of doing a small ring. Someone wants to say aloha. Okay, cool. No kisses right now. Okay. She wants to give love. If you guys haven't followed her on TikTok, she's on there. So I use the TikTok only for her. So most of the videos on there is of Nivea. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use just one regular pen. So this is my Old Faithful. I keep, you know, just whatever eyeliner you have. For the bottom of the eyeliner, I cannot use liquid. I have to use a pencil because it kind of like goes all over. For me, it's not working out for me with the liquid on the bottom. So I just got a like dark brown under there. And then for the under eye, I'm gonna go back with the brush that I have the blue under. I'm gonna go underneath with that. And there you go. Let me go ahead. I gotta just pop in the eyelash and I will be right back. Hey, Miss Sweetie, look my sweetheart. Hi, Miss Sweetie. You're a good girl. Look at the good girl. Hi. You're a good girl. You probably eat. Aw, she's a cutie pie. Alrighty, guys. So this is my final look. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it felt like it was a really short video just because I have already put most of my makeup on. But yeah, so I created this look. It's kind of fun to have colors, you know, keep it bright and stuff. So I really hope you guys, so probably tomorrow I will try to create another one. Let me know down below what colors you guys want me to try. Not too sure which ones, but I know I like the orange. Maybe the orange and red. Maybe the orange and purple. Not too sure, guys. But yeah, I'll come back tomorrow and create another look with this palette. Novella, she's over there playing with her toys. She's such a cutie pie tonight. I don't know what's going on with her. She's happy. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I shall see you guys in my next upload. You guys take care. God bless and be safe. And yeah, good night.